Hey everybody, this is JB Productions Co. And this is my first video up on YouTube. All thanks to one Photoshop user by the username of Tech4X0R. He's really good at Mac and getting stuff for free, and you should really watch his videos and subscribe to him. So today we're going to be talking about how to make custom panels in Photoshop CS4. Now, first thing you're going to do is open up your internet browser and go to labs.adobe.com. And I'll have the download link in my description. So once you get to this website, you'll go to Technologies, click on Adobe Photoshop, and click on Configurator. And click Download Configurator now. Now, I already have it. So once you have it, it'll be in your applications. So go to your applications, type in Configurator, find the application. There it is. Once you open up Adobe Configurator, you'll be prompted to this screen. Now here you're going to click Create New Panel. Now here you can adjust it however you like. So if you scroll down this Tools menu, here is every single tool in Photoshop, even the ones that are hidden. So let's say I want these. Just drag the tools that you would like, and it doesn't matter their distribution or their alignment, because we're going to fix that. Okay? So now I want to put them vertically, so just very roughly put them in line. Okay, now just drag a selection of all these tools. Now, here you can click this to space them out, and then you would click this and that. So now all your tools are perfectly aligned. So now you want all your tools. Now what about commands? Well, here you can open up every menu that you have, and you can choose a menu that you would like. So let's say you want some adjustments. So you go to Image and you click on Adjustments, and you would go to Levels and you would just drag a button that says Levels. I want Color Balance, I want Desaturate, I want Channel Mixer, and I want a gradient map. And I want all these to be on the opposite side. So again, just roughly drag them on, then select them all, and do the same thing. Align it like that, and align them like that. There you go. Now, you can do actions and scripts. So you can run Photoshop actions, and you would type in the action. So I'm going to make this say saturation boost. Now I'm going to make that bigger. Now I'm going to hit enter, or no, it doesn't work. So just find a spot for your buttons. I'm just going to put mine right here. Pretty big button. Now if you click on it again, click action, and you will click you're typing saturation. you could type in 150. And again here, saturation 150. So I'll change it. Every time you have an image open and you click that, it'll change the saturation of that to 150. Then these, run JavaScript file, run JavaScript. And here you could insert text, image loader, movie player, or search widget. So I'm going to insert some text here. Oops, I inserted an action. Text. And it's going to say, here are my most common used Photoshop tools and functions. The saturation boost changes the saturation to 150. Okay, and it'll be a scroll bar if it's too big. So then, once you've done everything that you wanted to do, you go to File, Export Panel, and then it'll automatically take you to the panels inside Photoshop. But if you're not there, then just go to your Photoshop folder, then go to Plugins, click Panels, and click Select. And this will, once it's completed, this will come up and say that it exported the panel successfully. And hit OK. Then, if Photoshop was already open, you would have to restart it. So I'm gonna open. Oh, here it is. Photoshop, and then you would go to Window, Extensions, and then I didn't name mine, so it's called Untitled 1. It'll open up the panel, and voila, there are my panels. So now if I open up an image, or let's say I open this up, prompt a simple text image, and I want to desaturate it, I simply click desaturate, boom, undo it. I could click channel mixer. So as you can see, everything works. I mean, even the tools. Marquee tool, magic wand. So, hope you like this tutorial, and see you next time.